Hello guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 12th day of English speaking challenge. So as you can see, I'm speaking very nicely and I'm really using my hand gestures. I'm really using my hand gestures, my facial expression. Everything is involved here. Everything is involved here. Well, everything is involved here in speaking. So guys, so what's what's the topic for today? What's the topic for today? I don't like the topic. First of all, I don't like the topics. I like only I like only conversation. I like only conversation because I have to make the connection. I have to make a connection between you guys. Between you guys. I have to make a connection between ourselves. Between ourselves. Between ours. Between ourselves. I have to make a connection between us. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video, and I'm no, and that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so today I'll speak somewhat slowly. Okay, I'll speak somewhat slowly. Means I'll be going to the, I'll be going to means means I mean to say that whatever I'll speak slowly. I'll speak slowly. Means I will not, I will not go to the, I will not go in the very fast way. I will not go in the very fast way. I will not go in the very fast way. Whatever I'll speak from the depth of my heart. Whatever I'll speak from the depth of my heart. Okay. So so yesterday a guy came to me. A guy came to me and he was sitting next to me. He was sitting on the chair and I was also sitting with him. And and I and actually he likes a girl. He likes a girl, and he every day talks to her, and he every day talks to her, and she also talks to him. But there is only one thing here. The girl does not like the girl does not like him, but he likes the girl, but he likes the girl, but he likes her, but he likes her. And he has to tell that she's my favorite person. She's my favorite person. That's why I like talking with her. I like talking with her, and I like talking with her because I like her. Yes, means one-sided love. Means one-sided connection is going on here. One-sided connection is going on here. So I told him that. I told him that. Tell her that I like you. Tell her that I like you. But he is getting, but he tells me that I feel scared, I feel afraid, I feel afraid of doing this, so I can't do this, this is beyond me, and I can't do this anymore, I can't do this. So bro, give me some more time so that I could do it later on, so that I could do it later on. So thereafter I told him that how much time you want, how much time you want to take, you may take, how much time you want to take, you may take. But there should be a clarity here, there should be a clarity here that whatever the, whatever the relation, whatever the connection, whatever the connection between, whatever the connection between, whatever the connection will be between you guys, so try to make it clear, try to make it clear that I don't want to be your friend. I don't have to be, I don't have to be your friend, I don't have to be your friend. I have to be your, I have to be your this, I have to be your this. Yes, I have to be your, I have to be your this. Okay. So because I already have a lots of, I already have a lots of, and I don't, and I don't want it anymore, and I don't want it anymore. and I don't want it anymore. And I don't want it anymore. So it's better. So it will be better that I let me clear this. Let me clear this before starting our before starting our before starting our conversation. Okay. So let me clear before starting our conversation, because I don't want to I don't want I don't want to I don't want to hide it anymore. I don't want to hide it anymore. I don't want to hide it anymore. And thereafter he told me that she talks to me every day. She makes me the video call. She makes me the video call. She makes me the she makes me the audio calls also. She makes me the audio call also. Every day she talks. Every day I also talk. Every day she talks. Every day I also talk with her. I also talk. But but I'm I'm very confused. But I'm very confused about us that but I'm very confused about us that whatever we are doing, is this good or not? Is this good or not? But I told him one day that try. I told him one day that stop it right now and right away, and 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 let's and let's think and let's see that what will do what will do when you stop messaging and talking with him and talking with her, when you stop talking and texting with her. Yes, let's see what happens after this. What happens after this, let's see. Then he was asking me that let me do this let me do this today onwards. Let me do this today only. Let me do this only for today. Let me do this only for today. Let me do this please. Let me do this please only for today. And since tomorrow I will do whatever you want. I will do according to you. Okay, I will do according to you. Then no bro, no, never, bro, no bro, no, not at all, not at all. You have to do this today only. You have to do this since today. You have to do this since today. Okay, because tomorrow never comes. Because tomorrow never comes in our life. Never comes in because tomorrow never comes. So it will be better that you should stop talking with her today. You should stop talking with her since today only. Since today only. Okay, and let's see that what will happen after this. Means she will get crazy देखना. And see, no, I'm telling you bro, after 2 or 3 days something will happen in her mind. Something will happen in her mind that, oh, why he's ignoring me. Why he's ignoring me. Why he's ignoring me. Does he like me or not? Does he like me or not? What happened to him suddenly? What happened to him suddenly? Means she will start. No, she'll get crazy. She'll get crazy after this. She'll get crazy after this. After thinking, she'll get crazy. Behind you, she will get the answer. She will try to find the answer that what is happening with him. What happened to him suddenly? All of a sudden he got changed. All of a sudden he got changed. The person who was telling me every day, the person who was talking to me every day, he suddenly stopped. He suddenly stopped he suddenly stopped talking to me. Oh my god. how how he can do how he can do I can means there are a lots of thoughts. There will be a lots of thoughts. There would be a lots of thoughts which will happen, which she will think in her mind, that what happened to him suddenly. Why he got changed. He stopped he stopped doing everything with me. How he can do? Means negative, means negative. Only the negative things will happen. Only the negative thoughts will run. Only the negative things run on his head, run on her head. Yes, and don't worry. But but bro, don't worry. Okay, don't worry at all. Nothing would be happen. Nothing would be happen to you. Nothing would be happen to you and to her. You just have to see that she will she'll realize she realizes that I love Anod with this person. I love Anod with this person. And after few days, few days, you will think no, you would see no, you will be seeing, and after few days you will be seeing that see that person started that person started liking me, and that person started loving me. Oh my god. And thereafter you will say to me, thank you, your method really worked, your trick really worked. Okay, so let's do this. Let's try to do this. let's try to let's try to do this. Let's try to see and do. Let's try to see. let's try to see let's try and see. चलो कोशिश करते हैं, देखते हैं. Let's try to see. Okay, let's try to see. कोशिश करते हैं. Let's try to see. Okay, so guys, this is the story. So guys, this is the story. So guys, this is the incomplete story. This is the incomplete story about a person. This is a so guys, this is the incomplete story about a guy. So I would like to so I'd like to have it. So I'd like to carry on. I would like to carry on more about this tomorrow onwards. Okay, so keep tuning. Until you take care. Goodbye. Until you take care. Bye.